So today I am going to make these pumpkin muffins. I decided to make the muffins instead of the bread to try it out for the first time. I'm going to make 6 muffins the way it is in the package, and the other 6 I'm going to experiment. I'm going to put a layer of cream cheese in the middle and see what happens. So let's get started. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! I am in a lean making class. Publix. It's by Simple Mills. It is the pumpkin muffin bread. It is gluten-free with almond flour, so it'll also be less carbs. I am using my pumpkin muffin pan, and it requires 3 eggs, a cup of water, and some oil. So let's mix it all up. I have to preheat my oven, so let's do that. Preheat to 350. Okay, I always forget to do that. First we have to mix the eggs and the water and the oil together. I couldn't find my whisk, so I'm using part of my mixer, so that'll work. So here we go. Actually, I'll speed this process up for you. The last part is the water. And now we whisk. Next, we add the baking mix and whisk again. It smells really good. And you just mix this until it's well blended. Normally, I use paper lined muffins, but since this is a special pumpkin pan that I got from Williams-Sonoma a few years ago with a coupon, I'm going to use this instead straight, because if I use the paper, it's not going to have a really pretty design. I need to really grease these well. I'm just going to use pan olive oil because it's much easier. Make sure I get to all those nooks and crannies. Now I'm going to pour 6 of these. Oh, my oven's ready. I'm going to pour 3 of these, 6 of these actually, as is, and then 3 of them with cream cheese. So this is the first one. These other 3, I'm only going to make them halfway. Now I'm just going to put like a half a tablespoon of it in and kind of eyeball it. Alright, let's see how this works. I don't have a whole lot of batter left. Batter's good. We'll have just enough to cover this last one, and then this is only going to make 11 muffins instead of 12, but that's fine. Alright, there are the muffins, and now we're going to put them in the oven. I'll be back when they're done. Alright, here we go. I put it in for, 30 minutes. Steaming at the camera. They look good. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera up so I can actually take it out of the oven. Take a quick test just to be sure. Yep, it is dry. Excellent. Now we wait for them to cool down, and then the taste test. I think this is one of the ones with the cream cheese. It is. These ones right here are the cream cheese ones. I'm gonna try that one first. It's time to flip this. Hopefully it works out. Wish me luck. Some of them came out, and some of them didn't. They look good. You can see this one's got the cream cheese in it. Now, because these don't have any preservatives in them, I'm gonna have to refrigerate these. I won't be able to leave these out. And now we taste. Here we go. I'm gonna take a big bite so I get the cream cheese that's right there in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is really good. I highly recommend putting cream cheese in the middle. Wow,
Super easy to make. Remember, simple mills, almond meal instead of regular flour, so these are gluten-free. Well, thank you for joining me on this little cooking experiment and tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get alerted whenever I upload, which is about 2 to 3 times a week. Give me a thumbs up so it goes higher up on the boards, and I'll see you next time, probably from Disney. Bye.